Guys, today me and my brother are playing Find the Backroom Morph. There is a new update. Let's see. Unlocked. Okay, I want to see which one I have got. Okay, let's go. He got that one and I don't know even where that is. I got Jenna. Okay, whatever, let's go. Oh my. Okay, let's go. I'm going to the oofty. It's over here in this back rooms. Oh wow, okay. I can't believe I just found that, guys. Like, I had no idea. Guys, should I risk? Should I risk it? Oh my god, I need the hammer. 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 Okay, that's not my brother. Open up. Why does my brother make me laugh every single time? My brother's a banana. Okay, open up. Okay, I did not got that one because I have never played this game before. Just kidding, I've played this game many times. As you can see, I uploaded one video of it. Yeah, I'm bad at this game. Okay, like where is okay, never mind. Let's just go get the blue key. Oh my. I'm eating biscuits and I have food on my head. Why are you making sounds? I'm trying to do this hobby. What meal picked the right one? This one. Batman. Batman. I do not have Batman. I see somebody have Batman. I just say Batman. Somebody tell you where is Batman? No, they were just laughing at me. No, you just saw that. No, I did not. Invite a friend for a free skin. I already invited my brother. Okay, my brother. My brother won. I got this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am not even watching a video right now. You are watching a video. I'm making a video. Oh. What do you say? Making a video. Hammer. Punch. Oh my god, that actually scared me. Okay, I'm pretty bad at this game. No. There we go. And I cannot even read these memes. I already got the villager. I know which one I got. My brother just found another one. I got this one. No way, he got Raven. Tell me where she is now, or I will. I don't know where he is. Or I will punch you with this hammer in my hand right now. Tell me where she is. Okay. I was going to that blue one, but I just found it. It's to the green one place. To that boot hole. To boot up that Okay, I don't know what my brother is talking about, but let's follow him.
But I don't want to tell you I
So,
don't want to tell you where it is.
where did you teleport? Oh my god. Tell me where is it? Okay. I don't think I got that one. Guys, this is my... Oh, okay, I'm coming, wait. Oh my god, I can't believe it is centered. Bro, how is he so tall? Okay, where is it? Where is it? Oh, okay, let me go on. Alright! Come. Oh my god, my cookie just fell. Okay, tell me where it is. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Nice. Okay, I'm so bad at this hobby. No one saw that I did not fell. Hmm. Oh my god. Hmm. No.
Oh, I bumped my face and I died with a cook bag.
Oh my. Why do I keep falling down from that part? Come on. I'm gonna drink some water because this is making me mad. My brother just fell.
And I just died. Who just kicked me and died?
Yeah, he died.
Slime died.
Okay, great. I just drank some water.
I just found one.
Great, my water just fell.
I just found one.
Nice.
Sure, come and look at my blind. I just found one. Right here. Let's check what this is.
Oh, he got angry purple. He got angry purple. I repeat.
Purple is to the big monster. Yeah. Yeah, it's to the big monster.
I wish he was also recording so he could show you guys. How am I supposed to do this?
You have to take the green key to open the green door.
I want to slap my face 10 million times right now.
Go to the starting. Teleport to the starting figure.
Wait. I want to win this obby. I keep dying 10 million times. If I die one more time, I'm logging out. I'm logging out. Or oh my god, so unlucky.
And he just be back to normal.
Oh my god, if I wish I knew where Batman is.
I want to tell you where's Angry Purple. You want to take the green key to go here, and here.
Can somebody help me with this obby?
Here.
I wish one of you guys were here to help me. I got food on my head for anyone.
Here's Angry Purple.
Nice.
Right now, I decide that I'm making.
Finally.
Sister, please come to the start and I will teleport to the starting with you.
Yeet.
Let's go to the starting.
Okay, I'm coming.
Don't cover me.
Okay.
Now take the green key.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Sir, take the green key to go
No, no.
there.
Don't kill me. I'm half an health.
Now, right next this one, have the purple one. Yeah. I know it. It makes, yeah.
I guess, like, I have not played this game in a while. Like, I am absolutely getting better at it. Because usually I don't play finding games. You can ask my brother. Yeah, he's gonna say, yeah, I'm never.
Other new finding game, but how brutal, but I didn't know any of them, but somebody pushed me all of them. Then I teleport
Ta-
everywhere.
Yeah, the task code bread. Task code bread.
Then I just find a new game.
Right bread. B or bread. Okay, the task code is bread. Guys, inform me if you see anything like breadish. I'm gonna slap my face with meal time after this video. My voice.
Sir, take your video there.
Yeah, it's been 11 minutes into the video. Yay, do 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 do.
Take to the monkey.
That's the funniest username I've ever heard. I'm gonna die.
Let's do the monkey first. The monkey one. It's so
Where do we put the code again?
monkey. It's this.
My brother says that every single time.
It's a monkey one. It's a monkey one.
Anything here? No. Give me the plank. Run. Oh, run. Oh, no. Oh, no. Get off, plank. You're so tall. Oh, my. No one saw. I just got a jump scare. I died. I just died from the donkey. This one. I can't because he is killing me.
We have to out the hammer. Then
That's the donkey. My brother.
then we have to go and then we have to go outside the then we have to get purple to get up there.
I need the plank. How dumb am I?
Try.
What is this?
Get in here. Have one right there and there.
I got them.
Oh, okay.
How did I not see that? Am I blind?
How did I not see that also?
I get me to the buy.
What?
My brother says that all the time. No need to judge. Open up.
Open up.
Hey, stupid donkey. Okay, I'm sorry, stupid donkey.
What was I saying to the donkey?
Stupid. Okay, I'm watching a video.
Sir, don't see a video.
What happened?
Sir, don't see a video.
I'm not. Is this thing dumb?
There's a donkey. Let me go donkey.
Alright, I'll slam myself.
Donkey case. What are you doing here?
None of your business.
Why are you coming donkey place?
Muhammad, come here, please. I need your help over here. I'm trying to get the planks, but I cannot. Can you stand here? Can you stand there so I can jump on your head? Come stand here so I can.
On my head.
fast.
I'm trying to be big.
Come on!
Big.
Hurry! My brother is so annoying. Hurry up or I'm gonna slap your head.
Okay.
Should I?
I'm already big.
Come stand here. Oh my god, thank you so much. Which is this? Oh, why should I just want that? I do not even like that one. Let's be
I want to lay down here.
let's be hooked to let my brother go up. But I'm so big, he can't even jump on my head.
I'll try to.
Oh my! I want on. Can you jump? Can you jump? I guess not. I guess not. Did they jump? Jump on my head, little boy. I love how his username says my name. Yeah, goodbye. Open up. Neat. Abby Parker. Abby. Okay. Anything in here? No, tell me I just wasted that hammer for nothing. There's more? But how do I do that? Can I do this jump? If I do, please like. Okay, you still have to like. You still have to like. You still have to like. Muhammad!
What?
You pushed me!